Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it was done?
What is up, guys? So welcome back to our YouTube vlog. So dito tayo ngayon sa Clean Fuel and sa Club Sport dito sa Silang Cavite. So currently there's a ongoing meet ngayon ng Crazy 4-Door and Manila Street Chronicles. Pumunta tayo dito to support and check out the builds na umattend dito ngayon sa sa Club Sport. Meron na rin pala tayong special guest from US. Mamaya interviewin natin siya for some few short questions. May mga nagdadatingan. Yan. So time check, it's around 5:47 na. Super low Vios tri-spoke with the hard tips. Dito muna tayo sa pinaka-harap. Let's check out the builds here. Ayan, may Hyundai Creta. So dito sa unahan, may Love Life A111. May Raze on grids. Then my lowered drag D style. Ayan, baba. Look at that. Wheel gap. Ano pa dito? May Adventure. Sobrang dikit naman ng parking. Hindi ko malapitan. Tara, no? Fortuner naman. Gen 1 ata to na Fortuner. Drag D style. Side exit. Ayan. Then Adventure. Mitsubishi Adventure. Lowered eh. Puro SUV nandito sa harap. Then we have a Sentra here. GTS, super low, nice wheels. Seeker, Fork Seeker. Ganda ng wheels. Then meron tayong dito Vios, Gen 1, Euro style. Ayan, Ganda pala nung mugs ng Adventure. Evolution Stitch VIP. Ganda. Ito yung Vios. Naka-Azev wheels. Baba rin. Shout out to Stance Pilipinas. Then we have an Altis here. Baba rin. Civic. Dito, BM. And this clean FD, white FD na naka-Rotos. Ganda Parang pumupogi na sa akin yung FD. 8th generation FD. Kasi lagyan mo lang ng no tint Civic na FD, no tint. Magandang drop. Pogi na Ito ata yung tinatawag nilang Piatos ba yun? Na taillight. Ito ba yun? Ito nga yun. Ayan. Yan. Ito yung mga kotse sa harap. Tapos, saan pa ba meron dito? Accord. Always present sa meet. Super low. Accord. Meron pa dito mga kotse. Ito kay Kuya Dayday. The Crazy 4-Door. The Crazy 4x4 pala. Crazy 4x4 division naman. Kasi mga 4x4 naman to. Yan. So, may Montero dito. Yan. Very nice set of brakes and wheels. Work wheels, Emotion, AP Racing, BBK. Mga crazy two wheels naman to. Kila Kuya Pao. Nissan, dito. Leaf, Juke pala. Nissan Juke. Yan, may Porsche, Cayenne, may Evo na dumating. Look at that. Beautiful Evo. Nice set of wheels, HKS brakes. Wow. Evolution Club. Evo 6. Evo 5. Yan, Evo 5 with a big wing sa likod. Mitsubishi. Shout out to Legends of the 90s. Ayan. Evo 5. Ganda. Then on its backside, Mr. Banawe Boys 400Z nandito. I think this is my first time seeing this Z kay Alex. May ihi pa ng aso. Yan, Mr. Banawe Boy. Wow, custom plate frame. Ganda. White on white. Z. Banawe Boy. Dito may Vios. Anong mags to? NK. NK to. NK tuning. Parang siyang RE30. NK. Ganda rin Vios. Gen 3. si Alex. May umihi sa ano, sa naaso. Sa may rear left. Ay, rear right pala. Sobrang dilaw. Then, sa tabi ng Vios, merong EK. Wow, nice wheels din. Also, 5 Zigen and 1R Beckett. Rare siguro yan. May plastic pa yung sidings nyo. Civic, Tanabe exhaust. Wow. Then sa tabi nung Civic, merong GX 550. Ganda ng wheels. Sarap na ito pang city cruise. Race. We have here Ed's Zefiro wagon. Naka juicy fruit calipers. Ganda talaga ng likod na ito. Sobrang haba. With the Watanabe wheels. Guys, if you need Watanabe wheels, pwede kayo mag-pre-order kay Club Sport. They are offering Watanabe wheels here. Meron silang catalog. You can check it out. Ayan, shout out to Banawe Boy. Tokyo Car Club. Legends of the 90s, of course. So this is a Zefiro wagon cruising. Parang hindi ko pa nakikita yung likod na ito last time. Ito yung likod niya, guys. Sobrang haba niya. As in, pinalitan niya na pala yung sa rear wiper niya na hang loose. Alam ko Moon Ice yun. May big body si Julius. What up? Vlogception. Tabi nung Zefiro ni Ed, we have Sir Gas. Small body A92 ni Sir Gas. If you haven't watched our full walk around video of this beautiful A92 with the matching bench pabango ng early 2000s. Ano nga ba yan? Atlantis ba yan? Bench. Kasi sobrang ganda na itong A92 na to. Super clean. Pinoy spec, PHDN. Alagang gas, car wash. Alam niyo na yan. Panood yan. Uy, si Barbie. Barbie na Vios. Vios ba? Ay, Hyundai pala. Then we have CRX. Dito. Ayan. CRX Honda. Beautiful in red with the matching Mugen wheels. O yan o. Talaga naman. Ang ganda. Yan. Honda CRX. Then meron pa dito. Medyo madami pa. Nagsiksikan sila dito. We have City dito. Grace Build. Kay Johnski of Go Factory. Yan. Dito rin siya. Ganda talaga ng mugs. So, guys. Look at that. Picture perfect. And meron tayong Brio dito. And Civic. Super low. Mga low kids. Ayan o. Low kids. Shout out to low kids. Then may Toyota Crown dito. Yan. Kila boss. Ano nga ba to? Basta sa Torque. Ayan o. Bipu style. Very beautiful. Kay Daniel Passion. Na Swift. Kay Sire, ayan o, super low Kia. Picanto ba to? Tama ba ako? May eyelids pala to. Kasi si Sire o. Ayan, tight as fuck. Static yan, boys. Ayan, follow niyan. Definitely Sire.
Calling the attention of the owners of these following cars.
Picanto. Then we have here, si Tokayo, Jerome Buela. Ayan, hindi na siya naka-Vitz. Naka-Brio na siya, Brio Gen 1. Ito na yung kotse niya. Ganda, ang ganda na. Ngayon ko na napansin ulit pala, palit na pala siyang taillights. Clear taillights. Meron palang clear taillights yung Brio. Yan. Good fitment as always. Ganyan din yung fitment niya sa Yaris eh. Ayan sila Bombit, si Harry. Then sa harap ng Brio, we have here Kings. You know, shout out to Moon Ice. Kay King, Yaris Gen 2, yan. Biyahe sila ngayon lahat to silang dito sa Club Sport. Then alam ko naka-stance steering wheel collab ng Momo. And naka-Toms. Wow, bumili pala siya ng plate frame. Manila Street Chronicles. Mamaya pasok tayo. Let's check out the collab. Yung collab shirt na nilabas ng Manila Street Chronicles and Crazy 4-Door. And we have here a Lancer Sedia. Sedia ba to? Ganda ng mugs, oh. Mugs to. Mukhang Toms. Lancer. Ayan, oh. Mga Lancer. Underrated. Mga Lancer. Ah, may Sedia pala. May Sedia na build. Ganda, oh. Ganda nung red. Red on red. Ano kayang mugs yan? Isa naka NTO3 eh. You know. Let's go. Team NTO3. Yan. Anong size sa kanya? 16s yung sa akin eh. 17. Ah, may 17s pala niyan. 4 holes. Yan. Gaganda ng build, Sedia. Parang Evo yung harap nito. Medyo lang. Medyo Evo. Ganda. Underrated also na platform to build on, Sedia. Big body. Ayan. Big body. Small body. Oh, grabe. Straight pipe. Suabe approved. Yan. So, meet nga pala to ng Crazy 4-Door in collaboration with Manila Street Chronicles. Merong City, Wigo, may Audi doon sa dulo. Small body. Shitbox edition. Grabe naman yon. Yan. Suabe approved. Ah, car group siguro tong Suabe. Yan o. Lahat sila meron eh. Suabe approved. Bigote dito. Yan. Chadeng and may Lexus doon. Currently full house ngayon dito sa Club Sport. Sobrang dami. So pasok tayo sa loob dito sa coffee shop. So nag-renovate na sila ngayon dito sa incubator dito sa Club Sport. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan o. Club Sport. Incubator Cafe. Pasok tayo. Incubator Cafe. Ayan sila Marco, sila Carlo. So ito na yung itsura. Wala na yung konbini. Ito na yung konbini. Malumiit na. Ito na. So they still have few products here. So medyo nawala na yung mga Japanese items nila. Meron pa, may mga natira pa. Konti. Ayan. So minove na dito yung incubator coffee shop na dating nandun sa kabila. So dito may mga pastries na rin pala sila. Dati wala ito. Tinanggal na nila yung wall dito. Dati may division dito papunta sa Konbini, which is the coffee shop na. So ito nga pala yung mga shirt na nirelease nila Kuya Dede ng Team Crazy 4-Door and Manila Street Chronicles. Ano nakalagay? Crazy Passion Bound by Friendship. Ito pala. Ayan. Crazy Passion Bound by Friendship. Manila Street Chronicles and Crazy 4-Door. Ito yung likod. Ito yung harap. Ayan. So, they still have few merchandises here. May mga Louis mats pa rin. Uy, bago to ah. Mga Louis mats. Ayan. Ito yung collab shirt. Ito pa yung iba. Ayan. No Good Racing. They still have it in stock. Ito na yung current look dito sa lounge area ng Club Sport. So, andito rin pala yung kotse ni Kuya Dede, which is the Mark II. Toyota Mark II. Very rare na to. Bihira na rin to. I don't know kung ilan to sa Pinas, pero konti lang to. Ito yung badge sa harap. Parang Corona, parang Star. Ganador na side mirror. Toyota, ayan, Toyota. Jeff badge. Shoutout to Crazy 4-Door, Manila Fitted, Dope Boys, Toyota Mark II. Twin tip exhaust. Ayan, straight pipe ba to? Straight pipe ba? Parang mukhang straight pipe with the Blitz 03 super hot boy specs na mags. Ganda oh. Blitz 03. Oh, ready pa pala yung lug nuts. Anong size nito? 17s. 17s pala. Buksan natin sa loob. Yun no? Amoy Luma. Naka-Nardi, Torino, steering wheel, automatic, Otomori, na Omomori, na collab with Legends of the 90s. Brown interior. Ganda. You need Watanabe wheels. Ayan, katulad neto. In Club Sport, you can order Watanabe wheels. Check nyo na lang yung yung catalog nila. Ayan inquire here or message nyo sila on Facebook if you want Watanabe wheels. Just like this one. Solid yan. Hi guys, so Super Bliss interview with Jeric.
How's it going? How's it going?
We have a special guest over here. Quick questions with Jeric Mai. First question would be, what's your top 3 Honda cars?
First would be NSX, second would be FD Type R, and the third one would be EK9.
EK9.
EK9, because we don't get that in the States.
Second question would be speed or style.
That's a hard question because it's like style looks good, but then you'll be slow, and then
Doesn't look good.
yeah, it doesn't look good. Track style. So track style, I like the car not too low, but not too high. And then with track style, it also looks good because you could put body kit or aero. So I would say track style, but if I were to pick one, speed or style, probably the speed.
Third question would be static or air. Unlimited budget.
Unlimited budget. I don't know. I've ridden in bad cars and then I've ridden in static cars. I think static is a little bit better. The rebound is a lot forgiving. When it comes to a bad car, I had some friends like blow up their bags and they get stuck on the road, so they have to get it towed or they have to jack up the car. Yeah, maintenance more because you have the tank and then you gotta make sure the lines are good, make sure it doesn't blow off. The back too. If anything punctures it, it's no good. It's game over. So I would say static.
Static.
You can still adjust it, but it's just a little bit more work. But and it's cheaper too.
Yeah.
It's cheaper too. So I would say static.
Thank you. Jeric Mai. Let's go. So this has been our episode for today. This has been the Crazy 4-Door X Manila Street Chronicles meet sa Club Sport. And if di pa pala kayo nagsusubscribe guys, mag-subscribe na kayo. Click nyo na lang dyan or dito. Tapos notification bell na rin para updated kayo every time mag-upload tayo ng video. And if umabot pala kayo guys sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below. Ano ba maganda? Crazy na lang. Comment down below crazy para alam kong nanood kayo from start to finish. And if you guys wanna buy our merch katulad nitong shirt na to, this shirt, and some other designs also, marami pang available. Nasa website natin yan lahat. You can always order our merch at www.eversense-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash, baka saan kayo mapunta. And big shoutouts to Jeric and Candy. You guys are amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed your stay here in the Philippines. Yeah, so this has been Jerome Monastriol. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Jare!